What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can cancel your NexLev browser extension subscription. Also, if you guys would like to continue using NexLev but with a hefty discount, you can create a new account and use my discount code from the description below, and that way you get 20% discount on the NexLev browser extension and any other NexLev product. So let's get started. Now first off, you don't actually need to go to the NexLev website. You can just click onto your extension right here, then click on the remaining days. So I currently have a free trial, so there are 5 days remaining, but if you have an active subscription that you've been paying for a few months, you can just click the button here that shows your subscription details. So I will just click on it, and here you have a tab on which you can manage your subscription. So I will just click cancel plan right here to cancel my NexLev extension subscription. Then are you sure? So these are the things that you will no longer have access to. So I will just click I'm sure. Then as a last stand, they offer you a 10% off. So again, if you actually want to continue using NexLev but you want to pay less, you can just go ahead and continue with this, and then you can use my discount code from the description that will give you 20% off instead of 10 for your subscription right here. And now to finish up canceling our subscription, all you need to do is just click no thanks right here. Then they give you another pop-up, so just go ahead and click cancel plan. Then on this screen you would just need to type in your email for your account, and after you typed in your email address, you can just go ahead and click cancel plan right here. And it looks like that's not the last step, so on this new page that loaded, you can just go ahead and click cancel subscription right here. Then go ahead and click cancel subscription once more. And there we go. So here just type in whatever you want and click submit. And our subscription has been cancelled, as you can see right here. So it's quite a process, but nevertheless you just need to keep pressing cancel subscription until you come to this page, and then you will be able to cancel your subscription. So that's guys how you can cancel your NexLev subscription for the browser extension. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.